Elk Grove Dentist Online presents.
What you eat affects the air you exhale. Certain foods, such as garlic and onions, contribute to objectionable breath odor.
Elk Grove Dentist Online presents.
Will only mask the odor temporarily. Odors continue until the body eliminates the food. Dieters may develop unpleasant breath from infrequent eating. If you don't brush and floss daily, particles of food remain in the mouth, collecting bacteria which can cause bad breath. Food that collects between the teeth, on the tongue, and around the gums can rot, leaving an unpleasant odor. Dentures that are not cleaned properly can also harbor odor-causing bacteria and food particles. Bad breath is also caused by dry mouth, which occurs when the flow of saliva decreases. Saliva is necessary to cleanse the mouth and remove particles that may cause odor. Dry mouth may be caused by various medications, salivary gland problems, or continuously breathing through the mouth. If you suffer from dry mouth, your dentist may prescribe an artificial saliva or suggest using sugarless candy and increase your fluid intake. Eliminating periodontal disease and maintaining good oral health is essential to reducing bad breath. Schedule regular dental visits for a professional cleaning and checkup. If you think you have constant bad breath, keep a log of the food you eat and make a list of medications you take. Some medications may play a role in creating mouth odors. Let your dentist know if you've had any surgery or illness since your last appointment. Brush twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste to remove food debris and plaque. Brush your tongue too. Once a day, use floss or interdental cleaner to clean between teeth. If you wear removable dentures, take them out at night. Clean them thoroughly before replacing them the next morning. Mouthwashes are generally cosmetic and do not have a long-lasting effect on bad breath. If you must constantly use a breath freshener to hide unpleasant mouth odor, see your dentist. If you need extra help in controlling plaque, your dentist may recommend a special antimicrobial mouth rinse. A fluoride mouth rinse, used along with brushing and flossing, can help prevent